right, y'all, so car full. We got our groceries. Let's go. Hey queens and kings, welcome back. Happy Wednesday. So today I'm in crunch mode trying to record videos for you all. So what we're about to do is in this kitchen today, may hang up a little decor, may DIY some little stuff or whatever, but the main thing is to deep clean this damn refrigerator. The clean this out. It actually needs to be thrown away. A lot of stuff that's no good in here. Need some grocery, as you can see, so that's more the reason why I want to go ahead and do it. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and start the cleaning this refrigerator. The old roses again for Mother's Day. Alright, I'm did the living room and stuff with you guys. Probably get that video today. Yeah, because I don't think this one will be done. Try to forget the kids back there. They only game playing. Because I don't think this will be done. I should have started this first though, but I wasn't sure about exactly what I want to do until I was done with the front room. But anyways, we gonna refresh that area, so we're gonna refresh the kitchen. Okay. All right. Once again, this is a refrigerator, and all that waste all down there. I think some of this is old here, so I gotta go through this stuff here again. There's a lot of stuff in here that is old that needs to go out. So I'm gonna throw this out, put hot water and bleach and soap in here and Fabuloso, and I'm gonna clean the refrigerator out. It's pretty much gonna be a fast lap. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because honey, I gotta make sure I have enough room for the film. So yeah, but yeah, that's what we're about to do. See what I'm talking about? What? This is like it'd been there forever. I know it's some sausage. I don't know what the rest is. Jasmine made this for the go on your face. This house. What is this? God damn it. Oh, dirty rice. Look. Why is this in here? Why? Why? Oh, shit. This is ice. I already know what that is. What is this? Fish. What is this? Ground beef. Grassy rooted ground beef. What the fuck? It's an ice pack. Hot soup anybody? Because it's hot as hell outside.
I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Baby, I don't wanna fight. It has to hurt, that's all, no, it's right. But you won't feel the pain alone, no.
No, seriously. What the hell is this? It's oatmeal pie, slice of bread, and hot dogs? Why is this in the refrigerator? Let's make my eggs itch. Why is that in the refrigerator?
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby,
All right, everything back. I gotta go through this stuff to see the dates on it. See, is it good, not good? Move on to the next. Let's get this kitchen back together.
I need my cake and eat it too, but a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, my highs and my lows.
Okay, so down here we're gonna put some vegetables and fruits, whatever we got left. So we got some apples. We got cabbage and potatoes. Potatoes. Why does it say wet? I don't like the way that feels. Cabbage. Potatoes. She has some plums. She loves her plums. Some peppers. These are peppers, so it's lemon. Put it in there. I'm all rotten, so put it over there. All right. So let's see what we can put back into the door. It's broke some kind of way. So we got it rigged up, so I guess I'll leave it rigged up. That's about it. It's out. And there, the thingies. Half and half. Somebody had chocolate. I'm gonna put it right back in there too. All right. All this other stuff that I took out of here could not go back in here. The rest of it was food, so it needed to be thrown away. So, like I said, but let's see what we can sabotage here. Girl, happy baby pancakes waffle mix. Y'all don't even have a baby. I'm just gotta be serious about that. Carrot. Somebody else to do it. Ain't nothing in there, so you know we gotta go to the stuff. Baby, when I cleans, I cleans. Y'all better find somebody else to play with.
Ooh, yeah, baby. No, no. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life. Cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
All right, y'all, so I have done the kitchen. What I'm about to do is get ready to mop the kitchen. I got these soaking over here so I can get this paper off of these because I see that they like using these and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is just take the paper on off so it can just be clear, and I'm just going to spray paint the tops black so they could just blend in with the other stuff that they have in this house. Go ahead and mop this floor first because, baby, you see it's horrible. It really need to be clean, but I did everything else. I got Jasmine in the room now. They're doing grocery haul, I'm in order, so we do a grocery pickup. So yeah, cause baby, I'm tired. Maybe my daddy come in here, he moving stuff, talk about he finna cook up something to eat. That's chicken broth. Baby, put stuff back. Put it. The cabinet still looking neat, just how I like it, like how I like it. Put stuff back. Put it back. Let somebody else do it. No. Close it up. But yeah, so, and I need to clean those vases there, those flowers vases. And I think we'll be done. So this may be a part 2 coming to this, since I got to do grocery too. Hey Queens and Kings, happy Thursday. So it's the next day. We're here at Walmart. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we're doing a grocery pickup now at this point here. And so my grocery pickup was between 4 and 5, and I got here 5 on the dot. So straight from work to here. Oh, mostly come on because I'm tired. So I mean I gotta go home, put up the grocery, and try to finish what I need to do for the kitchen. And honestly, I don't know how. Honestly, I really don't know how. So I'm gonna just do all that I could do, and we'll call it a day, okay? Because other stuff that I want to do, I don't see how. And I don't know if I got black spray paint. I need to ask Jasmine to get some black spray paint there while I'm here at Walmart. If I don't have none, I could go in Walmart to get some. But honestly, I don't feel like getting out of the car either. Let me just see, because Lord have mercy, I'm tired. All right, y'all, so car full. We got our grocery. Let's go do a grocery haul. All right, Queens and Kings, we done made it home. So some sausage, chicken breasts, biscuit. We thought it was gonna be bigger than this, honestly. Some bacon, turkey bacon, some ground beef chunk. I thought my mama must thought that was bigger, because why is it so small? It's no way in the world she wanted a small size like that. Some cube steaks, pork chops, cherries.
What's going on with all this stuff on? I ain't know where to put this stuff here.
Ice cream, cheese, turkey ham, ice cream, turkey breast, cheese, ribs, onions, plums, chicken nuggets. I don't remember putting them on there, but I guess they put that on there. Lemons. I think I told you got the biscuits, yeah. Pancakes, turkey sausage, Caesar salad, fish sticks, corn dogs, these steamed broccolis, and another thing they gave me, the little small. I know I picked the big one. Milk, orange juice, of course I bought peanuts, some more yogurt, these lemon peppers, tuna, some more yogurt, some Jiffy Mix, I think 4 of those, yes. Rice Krispie treats. I think I just showed y'all the cherries, right? Okay, yeah, I'm overlapping myself. What is this? That look good, but I ain't about it. But some chicken salad, noodles, macaroni and cheese, fruit roll-ups, popcorns, brownies, zebra cakes, can of chicken broth, I don't know why, and cream of chicken, marshmallows, don't ask me why, eggs, vinegar, tomato sauce, complete season. See, that's how I know I ordered a big one, because I got the big thing, complete season, and accent salt. And then, yeah, Andre be get on my nerves. But yeah, melatonin, fruit snacks, cinnamon toast, some more cinnamon toast, frosted flakes, sugar, the soft breaded breakfast cookies, and a variety of cookies. So, and some juice. I thought I ordered 2 of those, but it's not. And some chips as well. So I'm about to put this stuff all up, queens and kings. All right, y'all, so this is what we have up in the refrigerator now. It got some food up in there. Not a whole lot, but I don't know what $300 at. Well, you know, it did get more other stuff, so they got stuff up there, stuff in the cabinets. We didn't get meat and stuff like that because of the fact we got a deep freezer, got a whole bunch of meat in there. So that's why we didn't get no more other meat other than what you guys see. But it's still clean and spacious. Too much damn space if you ask me. But yeah, that's it, Queens and Kings. Pretty much gonna be it for this vlog here, for this video. I was gonna do like some decoration and everything, but the kitchen is dirty. The kitchen is dirty, so I'm not doing it. I can't. I don't have the capacity up here right now. So I have to do that in another video. Maybe the next one that's come out, I'll probably do a continuation. But for here, this is it for this video, Queens and Kings. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Because, honey, we try to get this summer refresh going on. Cleaning, spring cleaning, not spring cleaning, summer cleaning going on, child, and get the house organized. But yeah, with that being said, Queens and Kings, I will talk to you all in the next one. So remember, your crown may tilt, but the damn show won't fall. Bye-bye.